Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do makeup when I'm in super hurry, and if you're interested to check that out, then please keep on watching. So when I'm in super hurry, I never go for foundation. I just use concealer to conceal my under eye area and some on my discoloration. So I'm going to use my favorite concealer, which is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm in the shade Porcelain. So I'm going to cover my under eye dark circle, just like here and some here. And around my nose area, like I have some pigmentation over here, so I want to hide that, and also around my mouth. And now with this damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. As you can see, I have done blending this concealer, and now whatever left on my blender, I just tap it all over on my face, just like this, without taking any extra product. And now I'm going to set it with a powder, and I'm going to use this MAC pressed powder. So I'm taking some on my brush, just a little bit, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. And also applying that powder on my eyelid. Now I will fill in my eyebrow. So I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I'm taking some product and going to use that. Now I'm going to use this blush palette. This is by Makeup Revolution, and the shade is Sugar and Spice. I'm going to add that on my cheek just to give it a little blushy effect. And with the same palette, I'm going to use this shade only, and I'm going to use my finger to add that shade on my eyelid. And I'm taking the same color on this brush, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner. So I'm taking this shade from this palette and going to highlight my inner corner a little bit, just to look bright. And with the same highlighter, I'm highlighting my cheekbone. And now I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And now it's time to add some lipstick, and I'm going to use this Sugar Rose Gold lipstick, which is this one. And that's it. That's the final look completed. First I have used this concealer, then I have used this powder, and then I used this eyebrow kit, and after that I have used this mascara, and then this blush palette, the lipstick. Yes, I do use these 6 products when I am in super hurry and to get this look, and I love this look. So let me know guys, do you like this look or not, and what kind of look you prefer to do when you are in so much hurry. Let me know in the comment section. I will love to read that all. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. Now I'm going to end up here, and soon I'm going to meet with you all with an exciting makeover tutorial. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.